Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll share with you our lunch menu, a very simple home style menu. We are going to have Pushnika Rasavangi. Pushnika refers to this ash gourd or white pumpkin. I have peeled and chopped it into pieces. And this Rasavangi is a kind of gravy which will go well with rice. It goes well with chapatis too. But today I am going to have rice, Pushnika Rasavangi and Kothamali Togail. Kothamali means coriander leaves. So a kind of togail is a chutney which can be mixed with rice and eaten. Let's see how to make it. Now I have already kept 1/4 cup of tuvar dal for cooking in the pressure cooker. Also I have taken about 1 tablespoon of chana dal and soaked it and kept ready for using in our kootu. We will now make a masala. We will fry the spices and powder for making the kootu. I have just taken 1 teaspoon of oil in my pan, and to this we will add 1 tablespoon of dhania, that is coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 2 or 3 dry red chilies depending on your spice level, and half a teaspoon of hing crystals. Now we will fry all these ingredients. When the dals are well roasted and changed to a light golden color, now add 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut and toss it around for about 2 minutes here till the coconut also gets well roasted. Now remove this onto a plate. When cool, we will make it into a in our blender jar. Next, I will also do the roasting of spices for the Kothamali Togail. Again, just take about half a teaspoon of oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 2 dry red chilies, and some hing crystals. Fry all these till the dals become a golden color. When the dal is brown, switch it off. Also add a very small piece of tamarind to this. Now finally just add this washed coriander leaves and toss it around a little bit. In just about a minute or so, you will see that all the coriander leaves have shrunken in volume. Now you can switch it off. Similarly, remove this on a plate, and when cool, grind it into a thick paste. Don't add much water. Now for the Rasavangi, I have taken 1 cup of water to boil. Here this is the soaked chana dal. If you don't have time, you can soak it in hot water also, and add it to this till the chana dal is well cooked. Meanwhile, our masala for the Rasavangi is ready, and we have also ground the coriander, Kothamali Togail. So you can take out the togail now. See, this is the consistency of a togail. Should be nice and thick like this. That's why I said don't add too much water. I already added salt while grinding. Now we only have to do the tadka or seasoning for this. Just take half a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds and urad dal. When the dal is golden color, pour it on top of this togail. See, our tasty Kothamali Togail or coriander leaves togail is done and ready. When the dal is nearly done, then we'll add this chopped ash gourd, that is the white pumpkin pieces, to this. Add some turmeric powder, salt, and allow it to cook till the pumpkin is also well done. Just check if the pumpkin is cooked. Here I had soaked a small gooseberry, that is amla size piece of tamarind, and kept it. Now just add the extract, the tamarind extract, to the rasavangi. Our tuvar dal is also cooked and done. I have mashed it a little bit. Now we'll add this to the rasavangi, the cooked dal. Now the masala which we ground for the rasavangi right in the beginning, that is also ready. Add this masala paste to it. Now give it a good mix and allow everything to boil together for just 2 to 3 minutes. Our rasavangi is boiling well, reach the right consistency. I am just adding some curry leaves to this and we'll switch it off. For the seasoning, I prefer to use coconut oil. You can use your regular cooking oil, til oil or groundnut oil, whatever you use. Add some mustard seeds, a handful of peanuts, 2 dry red chilies, little bit of urad dal. Roast the peanuts well. Finally add in another large pinch of hing. We already added the crystal hing while grinding, but this will give additional flavor to your rasavangi. And now we can pour the tadka on top like this. So our rasavangi is done and ready. Our kotamali togel is also ready. We are ready to serve out our home style lunch. Simple yet very tasty. Kotamali togel, some steaming hot rice. As usual, this is our unpolished rice. A little bit of til oil on top, and with this Pushnika rasavangi as a side dish. So as a first course, we just mix this kotamali togel with the rice. I have used til oil. You can even use ghee if you like. Mix this well. Awesome flavor. You can have this along with a little bit of this rasavangi and enjoy it. Rasavangi is a very tasty dish which definitely finds a place even on wedding menus, festival menus too. And you can either use groundnuts as I have done. Sometimes I even soak some whole chana overnight and then add it to the rasavangi. Or if you have what is called as koyambu vadam or vadi in Hindi, where you ground the dals with some chili and salt, sun dried them, add it to the tadka right at the end and then add it to the rasavangi, that also tastes excellent. So definitely try out this simple home style recipe. Enjoy the awesome flavors. Share the recipe with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.